think he's starting to enjoy it.
Yeah,
it's like a mean old man. But I don't want to let it go. I'll keep taking more. Oh my goodness. It's mean. Oh, I can't take it. Braden, you're so cute. Yeah. Mean mommy.
He takes it every time. Yeah. He's stuck on his tooth.
Uh-oh.